Have you ever wondered why some websites stay online even after receiving legal complaints? Why some websites never disappear despite strict copyright rules? Or why thousands of businesses choose to host their websites in another country instead of their own? Here's something most people don't know. The best hosting isn't always the fastest or the cheapest. Sometimes the best hosting is the one that gives you more freedom, better privacy, and stronger protection for your online business. So, what is the real difference between offshore hosting and regular hosting? Which one is right for your website? And is offshore hosting really worth it? In today's video, we're going to compare them side by side. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which hosting type fits your needs. Let's get started. Hello everyone. Welcome back to ABC Hosting. I'm Joan, and if you're interested in web hosting, online privacy, website security, VPS, dedicated servers, or growing your online business, you're in the right place. Today we're discussing one of the most misunderstood topics in web hosting: offshore hosting versus regular hosting. Instead of technical jargon, I'll explain everything in simple English with real-world examples. So make sure you watch until the end, because one small difference between these two hosting types could completely change how secure your website is. Let's begin with regular hosting. Regular hosting simply means your website is hosted inside your own country, or in a country where the hosting company follows standard local laws and regulations. For example, if you buy hosting from a company with servers in the United States, United Kingdom, Germany, or India, your website usually falls under that country's legal framework. This is the type of hosting used by most websites on the internet. It's perfect for personal blogs, business websites, company portfolios, school websites, news websites, local stores, restaurants, small e-commerce websites, landing pages. Regular hosting is usually easy to manage, affordable, and works perfectly for websites that don't have special privacy or legal requirements. For the majority of website owners, regular hosting is more than enough. But not every website has ordinary hosting needs. That's where offshore hosting comes in. Now let's understand offshore hosting. Offshore hosting simply means your website is hosted in a different country, usually one that offers stronger privacy laws, better data protection, or more flexible content policies. The word offshore doesn't mean your server is floating in the ocean. It simply means it's located outside your own country. Many offshore hosting providers place their servers in privacy-friendly jurisdictions where website owners receive greater protection for their online content and personal data. This doesn't automatically mean you can ignore laws. Illegal activities remain illegal almost everywhere. Instead, offshore hosting is designed for people and businesses who value higher privacy, better protection against unnecessary takedown requests, greater control over their online content, and more flexibility for hosting legitimate content that might otherwise face unnecessary restrictions. In simple words, regular hosting focuses on serving everyday websites. Offshore hosting focuses on privacy, freedom, and resilience. Now, let's compare both hosting types point by point. So, the first point is privacy. Regular hosting usually requires standard customer verification and follows local data regulations. Offshore hosting generally places a stronger emphasis on customer privacy depending on the jurisdiction. Second is content protection. With regular hosting, your website may respond more quickly to copyright complaints or legal notices under local laws. Offshore hosting providers often have different legal processes based on the country where the servers are located. That can provide additional protection for certain types of legitimate online content. This or ease. Freedom. Regular hosting companies often maintain stricter, acceptable use policies. Offshore hosting providers may allow a broader range of lawful content, depending on local regulations and their own terms of service. Fourth is security. Both regular and offshore hosting can be highly secure. Security depends on the hosting provider. Features like DDoS protection, server monitoring, firewalls, Automatic backups, SSL support, and server hardening are far more important than whether the server is offshore or local. Always compare security features before making a decision. Fifth is performance. Many people believe offshore hosting is slow. That's actually a myth. A quality offshore provider with premium infrastructure can perform just as well as traditional hosting. Performance depends on server hardware, network quality, SSD or NVMe storage, bandwidth, and data center infrastructure, not simply the server's country. And the last and sixth is pricing. Regular hosting is usually available at lower entry-level prices because it's designed for the mass market. Offshore hosting can sometimes cost more because you're paying for additional privacy, specialized infrastructure, and enhanced protection. Now comes the important question. Who actually needs offshore hosting? You should consider offshore hosting if you manage websites that benefit from stronger privacy or flexible hosting policies. Examples include independent publishers, media platforms, adult content websites where legally permitted, gaming and casino-related websites where allowed by law, forex-related projects, crypto-related businesses, file hosting platforms, streaming platforms, discussion forums, research projects, or businesses that simply value higher levels of privacy and data protection. However, if you only run a local business website, a portfolio, or a small online store, regular hosting will usually meet your needs perfectly. The right choice depends on your goals, not on what's more popular. Now, if after watching this comparison you've decided that offshore hosting is the right choice for your website, there's one provider you can definitely take a look at. That is QloudHost. QloudHost specializes in offshore hosting solutions and offers offshore shared hosting, offshore VPS, dedicated servers, and other hosting services designed for users who prioritize privacy, stability, and reliable infrastructure. One feature that many website owners appreciate is that QloudHost provides 100% DMCA Ignored Offshore Hosting, making it a popular option for projects that require stronger protection for online content while still operating responsibly and within applicable laws. If you'd like to learn more about their hosting plans and features, I've placed the QloudHost link in the description below. Feel free to visit their website and see whether it matches your hosting requirements. I hope this video helped you clearly understand the difference between offshore hosting and regular hosting. If you still have any questions, or you're confused about which hosting type is best for your website, leave your question in the comments section. I'll personally try to answer as many as possible. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to ABC Hosting, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming hosting guides. Thanks for watching. I'm John, and I'll see you in the next video.